So in this short video, I'm going to talk about the generative grammar of Noam Chomsky. Noam Chomsky was an American linguist and philosopher. He is known as the founder of modern linguistics because of his great contributions to linguistics, one of them being generative grammar. What is generative grammar? Generative grammar is a theory that aims to describe implicit knowledge that the speaker of a language have about structure, information of sentences. There are three key points that Chomsky contributed to generative grammar. One of them being universal grammar, which is the theory that every human is born with innate linguistic capacities such as grammar that are hardwired into our brains, and which helps us acquire any language, no matter what language the child ends up learning. Because of these innate abilities that we are born with, is how easily children are able to learn and pick up a language. Another key point is transformational grammar, which is the idea that a sentence can be explained by changing the form of that sentence. For example, the dog ate the rice. We can move around parts of the sentence to maybe like the rice was eaten by the dog, and we get to the same point. We get to that same conclusion. We have both sentences have the same meaning, we can say. And another key point is competence and performance. For competence is the knowledge that we as humans have of a certain language, and performance is how we use this language, how we perform this language. So this is helpful because it helps us distinguish when maybe we say a wrong phrase. We are able to use this language, but maybe we don't have that competence of that certain language. But some people might have that competence of the rules of that language, and then they are not able to perform it at that same level. And that's why these are the three key points that contribute to the generative grammar of Noam Chomsky. I also think that his contributions were very useful for the learning of acquisition of a new language, especially in children, because before we didn't know, especially for universal grammar. This is a really interesting topic because we are able to know now that we as humans are especially made to learn language. So this is a very interesting topic that comes together into generative grammar.